Hi, my name is Elizabeth. We will have with some organs of the body are located. Where is located the cerebellum? It's located beneath the upper part of the brainstem, where the spinal cord runs to the brain and is formed by two hemispheres. Where is located the heart? It is located in the center of the chest, generally inclined to the left. Where the lungs are respect to the heart, they are located in the thorax, between the clavicle and the diaphragm, one outside of the heart, connected by the trachea, the ivory with warden by ribs. The right lung is much larger than the left lung because the heart is close to the left lung. Where is the heart respect to the left? Behind your ribs on the right side, which is the box stand from which and your ribs stay. The scion retained in the is the one time protects the ears and aimon under your left. Where the parietal gland are located in the neck beneath the thyroid lobes. Where is located the liver? It's located on the upper right side of the abdominal cavity, under the diaphragm and over the stomach, ringing and intestinal. Where is the under respect to the liver? It appears in organ lock under labor. In female anatomy, where is the urinary bladder? It's in the pelvis. The bladder is held in place by the muscle of the pelvis.